Introducing PL Mobile App, the all-in-one mobile app from Prabhudas Leeladhar, which gives you effective decision support, seamless execution and comprehensive reporting. Invest and trade in multiple asset classes with single-click execution from your mobile phone. Use your existing trading ID and password to log into PL Mobile App. PL Mobile App's My Dashboard, accessible from the right menu, gives you comprehensive visibility of your entire portfolio with holdings in cash, F&O, commodities and currency. It lets you know your gain or loss during the day as well as your positions, orders and limits. The dashboard also shows you recommendations from PL's award-winning research in the My Recos and PL Recos sections. Search for any script by clicking the search icon from any page. The market section shows the latest market information on various indices, commodities and currency markets. It also shows top-moving stocks, bulk deals, corporate actions, and many more features. You can click any item to view the details, including in-depth market information, fundamental data, pivot levels, and real-time charting of stocks. You can view the market section from the left menu at any time. You can access the trade menu from any screen using the trade icon on the bottom right. The trade option is also accessible by clicking the drop-down option next to a script name in watchlist, scanners, or the company pages. Clicking the trade option will open the order window where you can enter the details and submit your trade order in a jiffy. You can also place aftermarket orders. Identify profit-making ideas with the help of our 8 powerful scanners. Rising and falling, strong and weak, high-low breakers, resistance and support, volume shockers, circuit breakers, open equals high or low, and spread changes. Scanners can be accessed anytime from the scanners icon in the bottom menu. Power your trading in the options segment with PL Mobile App's analytical tools like bullish, bearish, neutral, and implied volatility scanner. Analytics can be accessed from the icon in the bottom menu. This section contains My Recommendations, PL Recommendations, and PL's award-winning fundamental research to help you decide the right stock to invest. You can create up to 10 watch lists to keep track of your favorite stocks or ideas. Access the watch list feature directly from the bottom menu from any screen in the app. Just pull down the rupee icon from the top to view details of important indices and currencies. Access My Reports from the right menu to view transaction history, ledger, and contract notes. Running short of funds? Use the Funds Transfer option on the right menu to transfer funds instantly. Click on Portfolio in the right menu to view your portfolio valuation with details like realized or unrealized gains, transactions, corporate actions, and much more. Refer to the User Manual file under Help from Settings in the right menu for details on any feature of the app. Existing offline Prabhudas Leeladhar customers can activate mobile trading for their account by clicking on the Convert to Mobile button from the app login screen. Not a Prabhudas Leeladhar customer yet? Open an account online instantly from the comfort of your home by clicking on the Open New Account button on the app login screen. Start your wealth creation journey with PL Mobile App from Prabhudas Leeladhar. Download the PL Mobile App now. Contact us at 1860-210-2222 or mail us at plmobileapp@plindia.com in case of any queries.